Now we're going to go ahead and set up your business page, or your fan page as it is also referred to as. And we're going to go ahead and set this up and get this set up properly and add some content to it, so then we can start running your ads to your business page. Because you can only run ads to your business page. You cannot run it to your personal profile or any other means on Facebook. So we have to create a Facebook business page so that you can run your advertisement and target the audience that you are looking for. All right, so on your business page, you want to set it up as a brand or a public figure, as we are going to make you the focal point of your business. So people will look towards you for to give them guidance and direction. So you are going to be the person of interest for your business opportunity, and we are not, I repeat, we are not going to be emphasizing or talking about the company unless it is your own personal company. All right. So remember, people join people based upon what they think you can offer them in return. So they're looking to you to add value and instructions to them. So you need to get a professional looking profile picture of yourself and also a professionally designed cover image, displaying some relevant images of what your business is going to be portraying and some of the services and products that you are going to be rendering. So this all comes back into play as when we first started and you created your avatar, and you also created your WIM statement, which is your what is your message. So remember, our WIM statement said I help, and whoever your target audience is, what you help them with, and how you are going to help them. So that is the message that you want to portray in your cover image, and along with all the description and other details that we're going to put into your Facebook business page. So just keep that in mind as we start to create and structure your business page. All right, so also keep in mind you don't want to have too much text on your cover photo, as this can lead to problems when you start to run your ads. Because not too long ago, Facebook had a rule in place that you can only have 20% of text in your cover image. So they have kind of pulled away from that. I have seen more and more people have more text on their cover photo. They'll have their personal name, they'll have their website, they'll have their contact information, and some other text in there as well. And this would occupy more than 50% of their actual cover photo. So, you know, they have been more lenient with the amount of text you can have on your cover photo. But you know, Facebook, they change up a lot of their different guidelines and rules. So you just want to stay away from putting too much text into your cover photo, so we don't want to run into any problems when we start putting your ads up and getting them running out there. Okay. Okay, so also do not put any company products or mention the company name, excuse me, unless it is your own personal company. Highly emphasize that. Do not put any name of any network marketing or MLM company on your cover photo or anything related to your Facebook business page. All right, we're branding you. You are going to be the main source of interest, and we're going to position you as the authority figure for your business and your niche, and you're going to be the one providing the information for your particular business. All right. So I have a graphic designer that does some very good work. He's very inexpensive, and he can design a nice cover photo for you and any other graphics that you may need for your Facebook business page. All right, here is his web address here on Fiverr, uh, fiverr.com/Leo Prince 137, or his Facebook page is the same thing, /Leo Prince 137. And just give him my name and tell him that I referred you, and he will most definitely take care of you. All right, so you're going to add some relevant content to your business page that will educate your audience. You're not trying to sell them. You just want to give them good information that will help them in what they're trying to do with their own business. And so, like I said again, you are going to be the one that they're going to come to when they need some different information. You're going to be the mentor for them as they start to build their business. All right, so you just want to give out good information, speaking about the benefits of what you have to offer, and also create some nice images to go along with the text that you will be creating with your message. All right, so make sure that you fill out all the information. You want to put in your nice bio. You want to have a nice description, a nice mission statement. Make sure all this stuff is filled out and completed, along with all of your contact information and links to your website. Only if you have your own personal website. Remember, no company website unless it is your own personal company. All right, you also want to use the add button feature that you're going to have. I'll show you all of that. You can add a video in there, just an introductory video that you can use. You can send visitors to your website through that button. You can put in your contact information, or you can send them to an opt-in form. So there are a lot of different things you can do with that button, and we will go through all of that in just 1 minute. All right, so you want to make sure you have at least 10 posts on your page before you make it go live and you start bringing in an audience to your page. So you want to make sure we have something on there. We don't want a naked page and sending traffic to it. And then we're going to create a likes campaign so we can get you an additional 200 likes to your page of people that we're going to target who have already expressed some type of interest in the products and services that you will be promoting. All right, so let me just take you over to Facebook page real quick and show you exactly how this is going to come into action. All right, so here's my personal page, and then from here you're just going to click on this down arrow and you're going to click on create page. Okay, move this over some. All right, so now you want to create a page in this category here as an artist, band, or public figure. Unless you have a storefront and you want to promote your local business, then you can use this option here. But I would highly suggest and encourage you to use the public figure. So let's use that one here. So just click on that. Then they're going to ask you for what category you're going to be in. So you click down the drop down menu, and there's a list of different options you can choose. You can use a coach, entrepreneur, let's see, public figure, that's the one I would use. And there's a couple of other ones, whatever suits you best, you go ahead and use that, but I'm going to use public figure. Okay. Then they ask for the name of your page. So if you're going to use the public figure or a coach or entrepreneur, you want to use your own personal name. Like I said, we are branding you. So I will put my name. Of course, it's not going to be available because I already have my page set up. So let me use a different name. Let's see. Okay, Robert Locals. All right, see if that's available. All right. Okay, so apparently it is. All right, so what you want to do when you get over here, scroll down a little bit. All right, so you just want to put in all of this information here. So you just want to go through this here. Like I was mentioning here before about creating a button. Let me just show you this real quick. All right, so you can have, if you want to schedule appointments and have people connect with you that way, you can book services like that through that, and that'll show up on your button. If you just want to have people get in touch with you, call now, contact us, send an email, you can do that as well. Let me see, where is the other one for a video? Okay, yeah. So this is the one here. If you want to do an introductory video, you can just here put in the shoot a quick video and just put in the link here, and that video would show up when they clicked on your button. All right, so you just want to go through all of these. You can create a username for your Facebook page so that people will be able to easily access your page. They just put in facebook.com/ and then type in your name, and that will take them directly over to your page. All right, so just go through all this stuff. Make sure you get your nice cover photo done, a nice professional profile picture, your short description, and everything else that is in here. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, yeah, make sure you get all that stuff done. Let me just show you guys this real quick. All right, so go here to your settings tab. Click on that, and you want to unpublish your page. Click on the edit button and click on unpublish page and click save changes. And the reason why you do that is it gives you time to get your page set up before anybody can actually see your page. So you don't want traffic coming to your page before your page is actually set up properly. All right, and then once your page is set up and you have at least 10 posts on your page, then you come back over here to settings and you click on that, and then you can publish your page, and then it will be live, and then your audience can see what you have going on your page. All right. Okay, let me just show you this one last thing here. So here, know friends who might like your page. You can invite a bunch of your friends over here. You just click on these, invite, invite, invite. Click here to see all your friends, and you can just go on down a list. And, oh, wow, why did I invite them? Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, I'm gonna delete this page anyway. But yeah, that's what you want to do to invite some of your friends over before we run a page likes campaign for your page. All right. So that's going to conclude this segment of the training. So if you found value in this video, please by all means leave us a comment below and hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And I'm going to be redirecting you over to some other training videos that are relevant to this particular topic. Thanks for watching.